A condensate pump is a device used to move and direct the flow of the condensate water to the drain line. Condensate pump has a tank and a float switch. Tank is used to collect the condensate water. Float switch is used to turn on the condensate pump. When the water reaches the set level, the float switch will turn on the pump until the water is drained from the tank. To replace the condensate pump, we first switch off the furnace and unplug the old condensate pump. If the pump has a safety switch, we have to disconnect the safety switch wires. Next, we loosen the mounting screws and disconnect the discharge tube. We remove the condensate drain inlet pipe in the pump and slide the old pump out of the way. Now we have to connect the drain inlet pipe to the new pump and set the pump into place. Next, we attach the discharge tube to the pump. If the old pump has a safety switch, then we have to connect the wires to the switch of the new pump. We have to plug in the condensate pump and turn on the furnace. Finally, we will test the pump by adding some water in the tank of condensate pump and make sure it is working properly. The condensate drain consists of a drain pan and a drain line. The condensate line helps remove the water that drips off the cooling coil. We clean the condensate drain if it has any debris. Condensate pump has a tank and a float switch. We test the condensate pump by adding some water in the tank of the condensate pump and make sure it is working correctly.